Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. This is Trash or Treasure, charity shop find or purchase. It's build an electric stunt buggy car thing for ages 8 plus. And what does it say in the box? Build and play, easy to assemble, no glue or mess. So I'm going to open it up and show you what's in the box. And it was either £1.50 or £2 at a charity shop. And it's by Techno Kit. So let's have a look and see what it is. Now I've opened the box. It's not been opened before. It looks like they're the wheels, the bodies, more body panels, plastic bits, don't know what they are, electric motor battery holder, 2 batteries, and instructions. I have noticed one thing though. It says here cut out these wheel rims following the blue lines and stick them onto your foam wheels. So you're supposed to cut these bits out and stick them onto the wheels. There's nothing to stick them on with, so I assume you do have to use glue. So I'll get these pressed out so you can see those bits. So I've pressed some of the card bits out so far, those bits. So you've got like the side, and this is the other side. So I'm going to press all the bits out, and I've pressed the wheels out. Right, let's put those away. And all you do is you press the bits of card, doing this single-handed. There's one bit out, and there's another bit there comes out. It's quite easy, you can do it one-handed actually. And press those out, and this comes out. There you go. Okay, it's quite straightforward. You can just follow the pictures actually. That one, that one, that one, and that's what I'm doing now. So I've put the back on it like that. I think this is it's sort of the bonnet I'm putting in next, looking at this. Okay, so I'm up to this bit here at the moment. I fitted like a front bumper on the unit there. It's actually made of cardboard, but it's quite nice quality cardboard, and it's well cut out. And got to put these bumper supports at the back. 2 of those, which are these. And go on the back somehow. Let's have a look how they go. Oh yeah, there's 2 slots. See, there's one there above the hole and one there, so they're the bumper supports or something. Okay, so that's the bumper supports there at the back. And I've got to do the axles, which is in this bag here. Right. So it looks like I've got these things. Right, so we'll see if we get the front ones on first. So we needed 2 pins, 2 washers, and 2 small wheels. Well, look at it. So they went together. It's exactly as it says here. Plastic clip, plastic plug, wheel, washer, shaft, same the other side, and push it through, and then you've got the front wheels like that. Right, back ones similar, but you're gonna put the drive shaft on. Looks a bit more fiddly, that does. Let it go. Well, what do you think? Trash or treasure? Please leave a comment.